Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here this Bluetooth wireless speaker and I have my tablet. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth device or your Bluetooth speaker to, of course, this or any other wireless speaker. Now, of course, this could also be a headset or any other form of Bluetooth device. All right, so the first thing you do is just swipe down. Now, of course, once you swipe down, you're going to go to your Bluetooth. Mine is already on, but just in case yours is off, it's simple. This is off, so you got to toggle it on to use, and of course, hit done. All right, you could pair from here, but I'm going to show you just in case that screen does not come up. Simply long press the icon, and of course it will bring you to the full menu settings. Now the full menu settings as seen here, you'll see a bunch of options. If it doesn't say scan, you're gonna hit pair new device. All right as it says pair new device, notice it detects several devices. One is a MPPT, and of course there's something here, and another device called S7-1. Now this is the Bluetooth speaker, and of course it's identified as S7-1. All right, you need to know the name of your device, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tap. All right, notice it says here also allow access to contacts and call history. That's from this device here. So we're gonna hit pair. I'm gonna tap, and then we're gonna hit pair.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
All right, so as you can hear, it is connected successfully, and the device has stopped blinking. All right, that means it's now ready for audio. All right, so all I gotta do now is simply go ahead and minimize. And I do not have any music and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So what I could do is I could simply play something that's simple. So I'm going to try to find something that I can play to test the speakers out. All right, there's a few seconds from this game, as you can hear. All right, so the game works fine, and of course that was just one of those games, not the perfect example, and I just wanted to play some sound. I do not have any non-copyrighted music on this, just to show you that the audio actually works in transferring to the speakers, and it makes it much louder. All right, so I could continue to play music very loudly, and of course everything should work as normal, and you can see that it does work. All right, so that's how to connect up your Bluetooth speaker to your tablet. All right, so see you in the next one, guys. Bye.